A plot of land is 0.7 acres. How many square feet is this? To answer this question, we'll begin with 0.7 acres over 1. We will need to multiply this by a fraction that will equate how many square feet are in each acre. We will need to set up the second fraction so that the acres is in the denominator and the square feet are up in the numerator. It is known that 1 acre is the same thing as 43,560 square feet. When we multiply these two fractions together, the acre units will cancel. The remaining unit will be square feet. And 0.7 times 43,560 is 30,492. So we can conclude by saying this plot of land is 30,492 square feet. The second question is, how many square meters is this? We can begin with the 30,492 square feet over 1. We would like to multiply by a fraction that would equate square feet to square meters. If we were to set this up, we would have square feet in the denominator and square meters up in the numerator. The complication in this calculation is that we do not have an equivalence of how many square meters are in a square foot or how many square feet are in a square meter. The only relationship we have established is that 1 meter is about 3.281 feet. So as we begin this calculation, we can't have the squared in the meters or the feet, but we can set up that relationship. 1 meter is about 3.281 feet. If we were to multiply these two fractions together, it would not eliminate the square feet. It would only eliminate one of the square feet up in the numerator. What we need to do is multiply by another fraction, an identical fraction, equating 1 meter to about 3.281 feet. The reason we need to do this twice is that if we want to cancel out the square on the square feet, we need to have two factors of feet in the denominator. When we multiply the square feet in the numerator, the two factors of feet will cancel with each of the single factors in the denominators. You'll also notice what we're left with is 1 meter times 1 meter up in the numerator, and that will give us the square meters that we need up in the numerator. So when we multiply this, we're going to have 30,492 in the numerator, and we'll have 3.281 times itself in the denominator. Meters times meters will give us square meters. And if we put that into a calculator, we get about 2,832.52 square meters. It is important to recognize that both of those calculations were actually approximations. 1 meter is not exactly 3.281 feet, and that division that we performed did not work out to be exactly 2,832.52. So both of those equal signs need to be converted into approximately equal to symbols. And as a conclusion, we can say, this plot of land is about 2,832.52 square meters.